she'll stay sleeping here until I get my place, until I get a room in a crib for her, because I want the best life for her, and I want to be a part of this. I'm sorry for how things worked out, and I think we both agree we do make us feel silly, you know, have them on the take stuff that I'm sorry for.
Thank you for being a man and saying that. Thank you. I love you. I didn't want to be mean to you, Gary, but that's just how stuff went. We want to be right together. We both know that now, okay? Mommy, okay?
I don't really have.
I want you to be happy. Even though I'm not with Carl anymore, I'm still going to live in Nashville. So I'm picking up Bentley from Ryan's house before I head down.
I
don't have one though.
You don't have work anymore?
Mm-mm.
Unnecessary.
No, it's very nice. Anyways, how are you and Catherine?
Yeah, we don't date anymore either.
Why not?
I don't get married. Do you think we should be together? For Bentley?
No, not if we're not going to be happy.
I mean,
Do you ever think about it?
y'all think about getting back together with me?
Yeah. I know you do.
I really don't.
I know you do.
I swear to God.
I really wanted us to. I just said that you're lying about thinking about it.
You kiss. Bye.
I wish things could have been different with Ryan.